Welcome to Math Mastery Series, where your students will get the instruction, practice, and reinforcement they need to master key computational skills. There are 6 skill books in the series offering supportive, step-by-step guidance through one or more computational procedures. This series is ideal for students who aren't fully understanding basic concepts and algorithms and would benefit from slower-paced instruction. Each book breaks down the concepts and procedures into minute steps. This helps ensure that your students have mastered the math foundations before moving on. 2-page lessons feature a simple, consistent format, so practice is manageable and students know what to expect. Lessons are broken down into 4 parts. Part 1 introduces an idea or a skill. It presents an example problem and walks students through the solution step by step. Call-out boxes offer important reminders. Part 2 presents a similar problem for students to work out with questions to guide them through each step of the process. Part 3 provides a set of problems to be solved independently. In most cases, the first problem is already done as an example for students to reference. The lesson ends with Part 4, where students are asked a question about the idea or skill from the lesson in order to see if they understand it. For these questions, they'll write or draw their answers. At the end of each unit, a set of word problems with real-life scenarios and a review of mixed problems lets students apply their skills and test their understanding. A glossary completes the student book and includes important terms and words used throughout the lesson. It's especially helpful for students needing extra support with math vocabulary. Teacher support includes annotated teacher's editions, providing simple instructions and replicate student book pages with answers, making it easy to stay on track with student progress. That wraps up our introduction to Math Mastery series. Now that you know how it works, it's time to get started. Visit us online to see interior samples of all 6 books and to choose the right titles for your students.